Hello and welcome back to my channel. It's Chidi here again, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create your own fabric weight. This project is very simple, very easy to do, and best of all, it is almost free to do. So we're just going to use some rocks or stones. I found these at a beach, and we're going to make our fabric weights out of these. We are also going to use our super adhesive glue, pair of scissors, and of course some fabric. I also had a ruler which I ended up not using, but you are free to cut out squares and then use them for this project. I decided to just use the stones as my template for this project, and I am just cutting out the shapes that I would like for the stones according to the shapes that they are. Now you could choose to use your sewing machine, cut out squares and then sew it like a pouch and then add these stones in those pouches, but I wanted these fabric weights to not have any air pockets in them. I wanted them to be really well fitted, and so I decided to just go freehand with my scissors and the stones. Yeah, so we are just cutting out the template for this project. The next thing we are going to do is to just spray on the adhesive glue on the fabric and then go ahead to place our stones on there. Now please bear in mind that I had a mask on during this project and I had my windows very wide open. If you could, it is also advisable to do it in an outdoor environment just so that you're not breathing in all of this glue. If you cannot, make sure you're in a well ventilated place and you have a nose mask on, which I do. So I am just putting on that adhesive glue. You could also use fabric glue, but I haven't tried that, so I don't really know how that will turn out. But I used a spray on glue here. And if there are any areas you notice that do not have a lot of glue on them and it is, sticking out, you can just add more glue to them. So that's basically what this project is about, just folding the edges to make sure we have a nice clean finished edge and trying as much as possible to fold it as close as we can to the shape of the stone that we have. Now, a little backstory: I had tried a couple of things before I ended up settling for these stones. I had tried the washers, I had tried a couple of other items, even mugs at home, just using my mug to place on my fabrics, and I realized I needed something much more efficient, and this idea just came to me at a beach one day. I just saw these huge stones and I thought, oh wow, these are huge enough to probably serve the need that I've wanted to use them for. And to be honest, I have used these stones as they are for a while now, but I thought, why not make it look less messy and just more tidy? So that's what I am doing by covering them up. But if you want to be rustic and just go with it, you can just use them as they are. But I just wanted to cover them up just so they look a bit more a bit more presentable. So that's basically what this project is about. It's very simple, like I said. It is also very affordable. I didn't pay for these stones, and so nature just gave it to me, which is really good. So you could find these. You could also use pebbles if you don't have large enough sizes. You could just use a combination of pebbles and just pack them as tightly as you can and then cover them with a fabric. That could work as well. But that is it. I really love how this project turned out. After putting the glue on them, I am going to take them out to the window and just let them dry out a bit. Just let the sun dry them out a little bit, and after that we will basically be done with it. It is very sturdy, it is very easy to use, it doesn't leave any residue and it doesn't leave any mess, and so you have made yourself a very easy fabric weight that works really well as well, because these stones are really heavy. So that's about it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed watching and I hope you found it useful. If you did, please like and let me know what types of things you have tried using for your fabric weights. If you have any other ideas that you could share, I'd appreciate it. But thank you so much for watching and I hope you are doing well. Take care of yourselves and I will see you later.